Hi everyone! This video is supposed to serve as a demonstration for how to properly disassemble and reassemble BWTLink series drawer slides. You may be wondering why you would ever need to take a slide apart, and fortunately for you, most cases you don't. But for the sake of maintenance, such as cleaning potential debris from inside the slide, or to customize the slides to fit your needs better by drilling new holes, this can be very important. And fortunately for you once again, this process can be very easy. The only tools you might need are shown here: a 5.5mm nut driver for M3 nuts, as well as some tweezers to help return ball bearings back to the slide with precision. For the sake of disassembly, we start by loosening these screws on the back half of the slide. Just take the nut driver and loosen all of the nuts. Take all the screws out and simply slide the inner side out, and everything is fully disassembled. Be careful not to lose any of the ball bearings, of course. For the sake of making sure everything is clean, if that's your purpose, make sure you get all of the ball bearings out, including this few that might be stuck in here. And again, try to find a safe spot to put all of your little pieces so you make sure that you don't lose anything. And now that everything is fully disassembled, you have a clean inner slide and you have a clean outer slide, you can easily do whatever you need to do. And if your purpose again is try to clean debris, take some paper towels to wipe away all the grease in the grooves of the slides, both the outer slide as well as the inner slide, as the debris will get stuck within the grease that you have here. And for the sake of more deep cleans or whatnot, you can go ahead and take apart these screws as well to better get any potential debris that might lie in that side. And aside from just cleaning the grooves on the slides, make sure you also clean each of the ball bearings a little bit also, because again, there's grease and potential debris on the ball bearing that will also affect the smoothness of your slide traveling. And after you're done, now we have to put everything back together. If you follow along very carefully, this should be a breeze. And for the best gliding results, obviously, since you wiped away all the earlier grease, you want to apply some more to the inside grooves of the slides again to allow it to glide better. And also try to get some on the edges in here as well, as it will make it a little bit easier for you to install later, as the grease will help hold your ball bearings in place. So to start, we're going to put 9 ball bearings in the central area or so on one side. So that is 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Now we can take the inner slide and easily glide this in here, and then we can use this groove channel here to put 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9 also. And 9. Right. So now we see that we have 9 here, 9 here. It's a little bit unbalanced, so it wobbles a lot. So we can push it over a little bit. And then, got stuck on the end stop. And kind of try to centralize them a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And then after that, we need to put the ball bearings back between the end stops on the side that we removed the screws from. So that's 3 on each side, making a total of 6. So we're going to pull this out a little bit until the end stops here, and then fit 1. We push, and then now we have all of our ball bearings, 15 on each side on there. And very finally, put the T-screws back into the groove. Put the pulley module back on. And then re-secure the nuts. And these screws serve as the back end stops for the back set of ball bearings. So once we have everything on here and fastened, you can use the nut driver to tighten them a bit. Don't over tighten. Same thing for the other side. Also make sure your T-screws are lined up with the groove of the groove of the slide. And now the slide slides back into here, and then you have a fully reassembled slide. Thank you. Let us know if you have any more questions. Bye-bye.